Have you ever been stuck on hold with customer service, wondering if anyone's even listening? Let's face it, navigating bank issues can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics. You just want a straight answer, a solution, and maybe even a friendly voice on the other end of the line. If you're a Capital One customer and find yourself in that frustrating situation, fear not. Today's video is all about cracking the code of Capital One's customer service, specifically their 24/7 availability. Because yes, you read that right. Capital One boasts a customer service line that caters to your financial emergencies, late-night questions, or simply that burning inquiry you just can't shake at 3 a.m. But before we dive into the numbers, let's explore why having 24/7 access to customer service is a game-changer. Imagine this: your debit card gets flagged for suspicious activity while you're on vacation in a different time zone. Panic sets in, visions of canceled flights, and a stranded you flash before your eyes. With 24/7 customer service, you can connect with a representative immediately, explain the situation, and potentially get your card reactivated, all without the added stress of waiting for business hours. Or maybe you're a night owl, and the only free time you have to manage your finances is after everyone else has tucked themselves in. With extended customer service hours, you can make calls, ask questions, and get the help you need on your own schedule. Now, onto the juicy details. Capital One actually offers a few different avenues for reaching customer service, depending on your specific needs and the time of day. For 24/7 access to an automated service, you can call 1-888-464-7868. This number connects you to their interactive phone system, which can handle basic inquiries, answer frequently asked questions, and even navigate you towards the appropriate department for further assistance. Think of it as a digital maze guide, helping you find the right path without getting lost in a confusing menu of options. However, if you crave the human touch and prefer to speak directly with a representative, Capital One offers that too, but with specific operating hours. For credit card customer service representatives, you can call 1-800-CAPITAL-227-4825. These amazing humans are available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. Important side note: if you're calling from outside the U.S., you'll need to use Capital One's Collect Call support. Don't worry, the process is simple. You just need to find an international operator. You can use a website like ATT Traveler Info and provide them with Capital One's number 1-804-934-2001, along with your name as Capital One customer. Remember, with great customer service comes great responsibility. So, before you pick up the phone, consider if your inquiry can be handled online. Capital One has a fantastic website with a comprehensive help center that tackles a wide range of topics. They also offer secure messaging through your online account, which can be a great option for non-urgent matters. Ultimately, the key takeaway is that Capital One empowers you with options. Whether you prefer the efficiency of an automated system or the comfort of a live representative, they have you covered, 24/7 for credit card inquiries and with extended hours for other banking needs. So, the next time you have a question about your Capital One account, don't hesitate to reach out. With their robust customer service network, getting the help you need is just a phone call away. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.